Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious Chipotle grilled chicken. Let's go ahead and get straight to the recipe. So I am using, for the seasoning, I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of Montreal chicken seasoning, and I'm using bayou Cajun. For the chicken, I'm using 4 leg quarters chicken. You can use just the drumstick or the chicken thighs or whatever you want to use, but this is what I'm using. So I'm using Sazon, onion powder, garlic powder, and all that good stuff for the seasoning. Be sure to check the description for the recipe and their measurements. And so I'm gonna add some paprika, a teaspoon of paprika. So for that seasoning, I use bitter orange juice and lime juice. You don't have to use both. You can use either or you can just use both if you want. It's really up to you. I used 1 chicken cube, a whole one, and of course some roasted chipotle seasoning from McCormick. 2 tablespoons of that. And of course some Larry's herb and garlic marinade, 2 tablespoons. This 3 tablespoons, I'm sorry. This chicken is gonna be seasoned to the core. Okay, so after you're done with all the seasoning, the marinade, let it marinate for, I let mine marinate overnight, so you know it could be really delicious, but I let it marinate for at least 4 hours. If you really want the seasoning to really get into the meat, at least 4 hours. If you don't have that much time, brining it would be a good option too, but still that requires time, so might as well let it marinate for overnight, at least 4 hours. So we're using this Goya mojo chipotle marinade. This is very essential to the recipe, so be sure to look out for that. So you probably will find that at the I don't know if you're gonna find that at stores or Market Basket. I don't know if you have Market Basket where you're from, but Amazon you'll find it for sure. In Amazon you'll find it, but yeah, try to find that because it's very essential. Asian markets you'll find it for sure. Portuguese markets you'll find that because we use that. Well, not we, but Portuguese use that a lot. Cape Verdeans, Haitian use it too. Spanish people use it a lot in Portuguese. And Cape Verdeans, they use it a lot, quite often. This is the marinade, you guys. You see how nice and beautiful it looks? It looks delicious, and trust me, it's delicious. It's delish. So let's go ahead and put this chicken in there. I cleaned my chicken with vinegar, of course. I left the skin on for extra flavor, you know. The fat means, I cut through a little bit just so the seasoning could get in there, but you don't have to do that. I left the skin on because, like I said, extra fat, extra flavor. So go ahead and marinate it and get the seasoning in there. And then after you do that, I go ahead and store mine in a plastic, in a Ziploc bag, and let it marinate overnight. Okay, so before we get to the grill, but when you're about to grill your chicken, make sure you set it out for at least an hour. Make sure it gets to room temperature before you put it on the grill. You never want to cook your meat while your chicken, whatever it is, while it's cold, because it's gonna change the texture of the meat, the chicken. You're not gonna like it. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So it was about to start raining when I started grilling, and that wasn't gonna stop me. So go ahead and place your chicken on the grill, on your hot grill, and place it on the grill for 5 minutes on each side, 5 to 7 minutes. So you only flipping it once, okay, just once, because if you flip it a lot more than once, it's gonna cause it to be dry, and you don't want dry chicken, trust me, you don't want that. Look at it, it's looking good and juicy. Ooh. So I made this butter and cilantro and lime thing. You don't have to do it, but it's super delicious, so you might want to do it. It's so good, you guys, try it. So it's butter, lime, cilantro, and minced garlic. I lathered on the chicken. Ooh, you guys, look at it. So you flip it just once. You see that after 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, you flip it once, flip it to the other side now for another 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and then look at this, you guys. And this is it. It's so easy. It's a healthy recipe. And look at it. And then after that, the last minute, the last 45 seconds, you go ahead and lather it with some butter, cilantro, lime, and minced garlic. Ooh, it just adds this flavor. It's so delicious, you guys. You better try this recipe. You're gonna love it, I'm telling you. It's so bomb. But the garlic thing, the butter thing, it's totally optional, but you better do it. You better do it. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.